Yes, good evening all my followers on YouTube.
Evening everyone.
Alright, you have Jason here. Alright, what Jason doing now, we're making some chump. Cutting up some bait. What happened, we're gonna crush them and, you know, make some chump that we can chump in the water. So my virgin called me from down Montego Bay, so, you know, some mutton snapper biting, so, you know, we take the time out to try them. Right now, as you can see, we are on private property. Right, private property, so our target is mutton snapper. Target species. Right, as you see, we set out the rods already. See there? Setting out the rods already, you see? And you can see it's a nice view. I heard that mutton snapper back this side a lot, you know? So we're going to try to get some tonight. We're going fishing right back till in the morning. Right, so you can see. Now, Jason, what do you think?
Well, so far it's a good view. The sea is not rough. Yeah. So it is the right conditions for the size mutton snappers that we are hunting. So today will be a very fun day.
Yes, definitely.
A very fun day.
Yeah, definitely. We want to find mutton snapper over 10 pounds. Alright, so as soon as we hook up, we get back to you. Now we're all prepared and things. Right, we're jumping up the water, so we're cutting up the baits as I said before. Alright, out until we get a hook up, okay? Blessings. Yes, guys. Jason, now tell the viewers what you're doing.
So right now, I'm using the chum that we have made to chum the water to call in the snapper.
Alright. Okay.
So we'll be doing this every half an hour to increase the rate of catch.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. That sounds good, Jason. Yeah. So what Jason doing now, baiting up the water. Yeah, calling the snappers as you can see. We're using chum. We cut up some saber-tooth anchovy. Saber-tooth anchovy. Yeah. That's the name. Or otherwise known as chapong fry. We call it here in Jamaica. Alright, Jason. Do your thing. We're out of here. As we strike up, we'll show you what we're going. Alright? Rods them are out.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Fish on.
Why?
Yeah, guys, the hook up, but not the target species at all.
I tell you, man. I look for some mutton snapper, man, and this eel hook on my line.
Hook on my line.
You how going to get him off?
No.
Eh?
Yeah, I forgot use the pliers and get him off.
Watch it. What kind of eel that, man? My friend, what kind of eel that?
Look like a moray to me, you know.
Eh?
Look like a moray eel to me.
No star.
But this is 5 minutes after casting out, you know. This is 5 minutes after setting the lines. Right? We're going to get this one off and get back to you when we hit the target species.
I'm a mutton snapper. I want it for stingray.
That me I wonder. Ah!
Yeah, my run, see me?
Yeah, my run.
Let me hear the jug. Watch it, hear it.
Hear it.
Hold on. Steady.
Yeah, man, you must fight out there, man.
My fight hard. Tighten the jug. Here, tighten for the jug. Alright, test the jug. Yeah. What size line you use?
40 pound trilene.
40 pound trilene?
Yeah.
You can't bust that. I'm dead. What is that, Jason, man? Whoa. Make him run, man. Watch your man. Watch it.
Boy!
Yeah. Osh. That, I wonder, what kind of fish that?
I don't know what thing.
What's Jason? What's? Anyway, next time.
I see where I'm going with.
Yeah, we ain't going with. Let me see where I'm going with.
How I'm going with?
Oh, let me see.
Let me see where I'm going with. I'm going with everything.
Everything
line,
gone.
sinker, swivel, everything.
Boy, Jason.
Well, it was a good fight, I'm not lie. It was a really good fight.
Alright.
Really good fight. So
Come
we'll go
again.
back to them again.
Prepare yourself again.
Yeah, man.
I wonder if it's a mutton that.
That you wonder. So
You pick up your rod and run now.
yeah, man, we see it, man. We feel him.
Alright.
So I use Eagle Claw Gunnison. Gunnison what again? I think I the G7, yeah. The Gunnison G7 reel. 40 pound trilene. 8 foot black beauty too. Right? So these are the perfect setup for them.
Alright. Yeah, man.
So
I'll try again one more time. Yeah,
one more time.
Yeah. Yo!
Seafoot pan them!
Pan them! Lean!
Just pick him up.
Yo!
Just pick him up.
Mamuli mo gaf.
Hold him up by show people.
Yeah?
Just pick him up.
Just hold him down kill him.
Just pick him up. Seafoot.
Yeah.
Just pick him up.
What a lean man. Okay.
Nice size.
Yeah, look on him. Leon stopper. It's about 16, 17 inches this.
Yeah, man.
Or more.
Nice, Leon.
Jeez, I'm big enough.
This just pick up about 9:15, 9 night. Yeah, man. Nice size, Leon.
Yeah, man.
We have some more rod out there.
Yeah.
Hold him. Arrest him, seafoot. Arrest him.
Big stopper, big
yeah,
stopper.
Man, big stopper. Yeah. Seafoot, man. Fish on. One out of many.
Oh, I mean.
Yeah, man.
See?
Nice size.
Funny, bro. Some big? Big one, right there. Big. Steady, keep it steady. Alright. Couldn't video him a while ago because his action intense. Just I run a while ago and get cut off again.